Nyinga and Herin Achengombi Jakuru. Just spending some time outdoors, and I thought it would be a good idea to share some lessons with you guys. So Adwaro Geek Man Oko. We are going to learn about stuff that are outdoors, nature. So let us start with Wachako Gimane. Wachak Yen. This is a tree, my yen. Yen tree. Yen. And then on the tree we have leaves. Oboke. Oboke. And then don't mind my hair do. And then we have LUO. Soil. LUO. Oh, what's sample of soil? So that's my LUO. 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 Then what else do we have? Apart from LUO, we have already mentioned Oboke, Yen, LUO, Maua. Where's the flower? Maua. Maua. Mia Maua. Give me a flower. Mia Maua, my red no. Ah! Hey, there's a white one here actually. Ma and Maua. Maua marachar, white flower. So rachar is white. And ma and Maua makwar. Rakwar is red. We can actually learn some colors. Not that we are here. These are colors, right? Majan, green. My majan. And then what else do we have here? Rateng, black color. And then we have kidi, kite rocks. That's kidi rocks. Is it a tomato? Ma and nyanya, tomato, nyanya. It's like Kiswahili. There's no difference between Kiswahili. Some Swahili words and LUO words. Nyanya. It's an unripe tomato. And then I can see some maize here. I showed on some maize. Oduma. Where's Zuri? Oduma. Let's look at Oduma. So we have maize in the background. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but that's maize. Oduma. Oduma. That's Oduma. Oduma. And that seems to be Nduma. Nduma. Tell the children what that is. So yeah, I think that's about it. There's nothing much out here, just lots of nature and outdoors. We're taking an evening walk. And so yeah, Oriti Wanere.